Dear students, I am your social teacher, MVM School, Yelahanka, Newton. Children, today's topic or lesson Political Science, first lesson Meaning and Importance of Political Science. Lesson overview The concept of political science, the process of development in political science, political thinkers and political science, the importance of political science, use of political science. Children, why we should study the basic concept of political science? Political science is fundamental to understanding your rights and responsibilities as a citizen and to understanding international politics and law also. This course will be introduced you to political concept, political behavior. What's a political behavior? Policy issues and structure of the government within society and among the nation. First, we can understand. Children, why the study of political science? The political science is a social study concerning the allocation and transfer of power in decision making, the roles and system of governing. The political science is essential a study of human behavior in all aspects of political observation in controlled environmental are often challenging to reduce or duplicate through the experimental methods are increasingly common citing this difficulty. Children, like all the political science is one of the social science dealing with the political activities of a man. It deals with the state and government. It studies the origin and nature of the state and form of political institution. So this is the meaning and concept of political science. Children, first time political science began with the Greek, Egyptian, Babylonians, Persians, Indians and Chinese have mentioned their ideas or thoughts about political much earlier of Greeks. They failed to develop it as a systematic study. The politics was given to status of an independent science by Greeks. The first time Greeks only can introduce it. Children, most important philosopher, especially Greek philosopher, Socrates, and his disciple Plato were great political thinkers, and he was written a famous book also. First time discussed the nature and functions of the state and government. The book name is The Republic. Plato's students, Aristotle, he was also one of the great thinker and scholars also, and Plato is recognized as the father of political science. Who is father of political science? Aristotle. Aristotle can give the valuable contribution, growth and development. He wrote a book, Politics. This book introduced and discussed the origin and development of functions of the state. Kautilya's Arthashastra. So, Kautilya's economics also can tell us to political principles. The term of politics is derived from Greek word polis, which means city state, and therefore a subject which deals with the affairs of city state, and its working was called politics. By ancient Greeks, modern scholars prefer to use the term of political science for the study of political science. Children, political science is the study of past, present, and future of political institutions, political functions, and political theory, the state of the state government, and human political activities also. It is called a political science. What is the importance of political science? The knowledge of political science is essential in the present age. The progress and development of the state depend upon the thinking, knowledge, and political involvement of the people. First, we can how to involve the government activities. So, all the people not participate in the government activities, but how to participate. So, first, that is the importance of political science. That's why we study the political science. Political science helps to understanding the birth and growth of a state or country, and provide the information about the types of governments and political activities involved in the functions of the state. First, we can so which one types of government, federal structure or other monarchy system, anyone. So first we can recognize. Political science provide information about the origin and development of ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, laws, equality, and government. So all related we can understand. It provides information about the structure and functions of the state and government. In the light of the past and present activities of the government, present activities, today's activities also, all the people today we can observe. So that's the gift of before can give the information. Political science helps to plan the future activities of the state. It also helps to establish modern welfare state. So today's that is a contribution. Political science provide a knowledge of constitution and law of the state. Political science develops political consciousness among the people, not one or two people, among the people. There is a consciousness. It keeps the government and the people politically alert and active. Alert and active. The knowledge of political science helps to leader and civil servants to understand and solve the problems of the people effectively. So the knowledge of political science is there. So it is helps to select leaders. So what's the leader activity? All are observed. The knowledge of political science help us to raise good leadership and good citizen. Political science helps to understand the important political institution like political parties. So already we know that our multi-party system is there. So which one party can rule? So which is the opposition party? So ruling party, what are the activities can do? So all observe. So political science only can helps to understand. Political science deals with ideologies which inspired and influence political involvement of the people. Political science provide the knowledge of international relations, especially the occurrence of wars among the nations and the importance of peace and cooperation. So other countries political activities also we can understand. So which one country can attack anytime. So that's what are the activities of political activities. So any border disputes, water disputes, all the activities we can understand. What is the importance of political science? So you can understand use of political science. Thus the study of political science has helped us to understand the need for a state, a good governance of the state, the role of the leaders of the people's participation that is helpful to people. So every leaders also can give the contribution to the nations or state. It helps the people to become a good, responsible, cultured and active citizen. Every people also a very good, responsible and cultured citizen. The knowledge of political science contributes to the establishment of a just, peaceful, progressive and a happy state, which is a dream of millions people for a long live happily. So political science is most important, dear children. So last slide is exercise, so I can give the notes also, complete the classwork. Thank you.